Guess what day it is today, guys? It's dyno day. All right, so we're gonna head over to the show zone and get the car dynoed, and we'll go from there. Boom. That's Christine's car right there. So let's pan out some so we can see the whole thing. Boom. That is a beautiful car. Super beautiful. What a beautiful car. Look at that. Oh, can't see in there. All right, guys, it's time for the pools. Let's check it out. There she is. There's my lady. It's all propped up. So what do we know so far? So a brand new 2010 Nismo has 350 horsepower to the crank. This one is equipped with Z1 cold air intakes, the sports clutch flywheel, and HKS exhaust, and it needs a tune. It has never been tuned. What I would like to see is 300 horsepower. That would be great. That'd be a good number. What I expect to see, honestly, is probably about 280 to the wheels. So I was definitely expecting more power from that, but it is what it is. So the first thing we definitely need to do for the car is we need to get a tune. So I'm gonna go with the Ecutech tune and see if that helps. Also, I don't think the V2 Nismo bumper works very well with the Z1 cold air intakes. So your cold air intakes sit, of course, right up under the bumper, but you can tell if you ever stick your hand under the V2 bumper, it's right up against the bash bar. So there's not a lot of room for air to get up in there. So I'm gonna find a way to open that up so I can get some more air. Also ordered Z1's upper and lower intake plenum. So I'm gonna get those installed. And then once I get those installed, and everything's done, I'm going to take it back to the dyno to see what kind of result that we're working with. So hopefully we can get closer to that 300 horsepower number. Remember when I said this? Where are them damn fenders at? Well, here it is for your viewing pleasure. So, all right, about to put on these Alliance carbon fenders. A couple things you need to know about that is, so you have to take off your front bumper in order to get to the fender. I've seen people take off the entire side splitter, and I've seen people just take off the front. I'm gonna try it with the front just to keep it simple. Another thing you'll notice is when you go to put it on, this fender liner, it's gonna cut into this, so you're gonna have to make some kind of cut to match the fender, just so you're aware of that if you're gonna get some fenders that are kind of like this style. So I'm gonna get to work here, so let's go. Okay, so when disconnecting the original fender, there's going to be a couple of bolts you have to loosen up, so you're going to have to get 2 here. Let me get a flash. So you're going to have to get 2 here, right here. You'll have to disconnect this later to put on the new fender. So there's one under the liner here. So this one, the one that was there. There's one that was there. Then there's one that was there, and then there's one back here. Also, you have some more pain in the neck ones to get. So you'll have to at least loosen up the rear side of the front fender liner, and then disconnect the side skirt. So the side skirt is a pain in the neck to get loose. So it's going to have these 2 clamps here. I don't know if you can see them there, but one there, and then one there. Let me see if I can get him over there. One there, right? And then there's these other little clips that are on the inside of the door that you'll have to loosen up. And those are right here. See, it's kind of yellow there. There's a couple of them around there. And the one under here is the worst to get right here. That's the one you have to get off. They're easy to get off with a one of those little pop tool things. One of these type of deals. So once you pop that up, you can just hang the side skirt down enough to where you can actually get to the bolts here and here. And then you have one here. And then if you open the door, you can get that one right there. So quite a few of them to get off of there. All right, back to work.
You're going to love this. Trust me.